Some Republicans in Minnesota's 7th District are taking heat for a Facebook post. Really went after a top DFLer. That post was quickly deleted, but the controversy remains. Mary McGuire live in the newsroom, and this ended up leading to a Republican's resignation, Mary.
It did. The new chair of the Minnesota GOP, Jennifer Carnahan, she's only been in that position for a couple of days, and she's already had to deal with this big controversy from that Facebook post. She was the one who asked for that person's resignation, and they did indeed resign. Now, here's the post that we are talking about right now. It shows Minnesota Representative Keith Ellison turkey hunting, along with some racially charged language, and calls him a, quote, raving, Louis Farrakhan supporting, anti-Semite, anti-white, racist, and fascist American. The post also criticized the relationship between current 7th District Democratic Representative Collin Peterson and Congressman Ellison, and asks if that means that Muslim refugees will be coming to western Minnesota. Now, the newly elected chair of the Republican Party of Minnesota, Jennifer Carnahan, she was quick to respond, calling the post repugnant hate speech on Facebook. She went on to write that it in no way reflects the values of the Minnesota Republican Party or the 7th Congressional District Republicans, and that as chair, she will not tolerate such activity from anyone associated with the party. Ken Martin, the chair of the Minnesota DFL, he was also quick to chime in. In a statement he wrote, "The ignorance and bigotry displayed in this post is staggering and disheartening." He claimed there has been an increase in what he calls this type of threatening behavior and fear-mongering since the election of Donald Trump, and now it seems the Minnesota Republican Party is embracing it all too much. Now, that photo of Ellison that is used in this post, that was taken back in 2015 on a turkey hunting trip that Ellison and Peterson did go on. I've been checking Keith Ellison's social media pages this morning, and so far, he has not responded to the controversy over that post.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you need to respond to. It's a preposterous thing to post out there. Has the Republican Party named the person responsible for this thing?
They haven't publicly named them yet. Again, they did submit their resignation after the chair did ask for that resignation. But typically, the people that run these social media sites, they are volunteers. They're not actually employees of the Minnesota GOP.
Mary McGuire, thank you.